Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to install previous NVIDIA drivers and downgrade to older NVIDIA driver version. So if you're having that and you wanna roll back to your old NVIDIA drivers, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So what you can do is you can basically head over and go to Device Manager, go to search for Device Manager, and open it up on your screen. Once you open it up, you should be finding this, so you can basically look out for your display adapters currently. Go to this section, expand it, and find your display adapter. Look out for the NVIDIA display adapter that you're using. After that, you can right click on it and you can select the option for properties and open it up. So the first thing you can do is once this properties windows opens up, go to driver. From driver, you can select this option called rollback driver that will roll you back to the previously installed driver on your device. And you can click on OK once that is done. The next thing you can do is right click on it, go to update driver. And from there, you can select this option for browse my computers for driver. And here select the option, let me pick from available drivers on my computer. And what you can do is basically go ahead and install the driver that was previously installed. If you find it here, after that click on next and go ahead and follow the initialization process and roll back to your previous driver. Or you can just go ahead, right click on it and go to properties and go to driver and look out for driver date and go ahead and install the one from the old dates available in the official browser. And that's it. So if you'd like to install previous NVIDIA drivers and downgrade to old driver of NVIDIA, you may try out those methods. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.